All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We live, baby. What's going on? OG, Joe Dub, Three Pony, Leon in the building, Trendline Trade. What's going on, y'all? Of course, ALZN, top watch for sure. I also have ZO over here. I'm interested in that over $4. Um, yeah, dang. Yeah, it was moving, man. I was looking at those 5 minute pullbacks like you could have bought every one of them. That's what's up. Micro Dimes Trading, what's going on? Um, BCIG, I kind of, it's below the EMA on the daily, which is my first criteria. I mean, it's hella down trending, so I'm not watching VCIG just because it doesn't meet any of my daily criteria. It was on my watch list, but that's why I got to have a nice amount of time because sometimes it takes me a while to actually see that I shouldn't be trading something. There is the bell. So yeah, I'm not gonna watch VCIG. I did have VOSC up. I do like the daily on that, especially over $5. It's like pretty much a all time high, I think. Is there more back here? Yeah, there's more. There's a lot more. But it looks like pretty much oh, there's some back there. There's some back there. All right. I got a little volume on that puppy. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but that's a long time ago. Talking about 2014. So I'm interested. Yeah. We'll see. I'm really starting to feel like that first 30 minutes is just like pre-market. You just look in and see what's going on, see what's setting up. Just really gotta chill in the first 15, 20 minutes for sure. Like I blew my whole day yesterday in the first 20 minutes, man. It's travesty. Um Wito. Uh Hold on, there's some other stuff. I see what you got here, Joe. Uh AI. Oh, dang. That looks really strong. Is this a mid cap though? Flow too high now. I'm trying to look it up. Scanner acting jank. Man, the daily's like gravy. What else you got? Elf. That's way too expensive for me right now. KSS looks pretty dead. What else we got? Wito. Hmm. That's it, huh? Webus International Limited announces strategic expansion into Japan. That's last month. Blue sky over 430. Yeah, what's happening though? Like, no catalyst. Crypto reserve news. Oh yeah. Hmm. Yes, we'll see if it does something. What, buying XRP? Man, I was I wouldn't have kept it this long anyway. Hmm. Yeah, man, I had some when it was like 18 cent, man. And I just wasn't about the long game. What up, Pharaoh? Doom, doom, doom. It's pretty nice, man. I know. Still ain't about it. uh, when I first started day trading, I just couldn't make sense of, wow, this is a really nice 5 minute candle to open the day with. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this nice volume coming in. Oh, Lordy. Yo, Zio might be that one today, man. Zio might be that one today. But we gotta wait and see. Really nice, I mean, risk level right here. $3 a big deal though. Wow. Yeah, you can definitely I would take the break now. After that, it breaks $3. I mean, I wait for the five though, for sure. But I mean, this looks great. That looks great. Man, I like this. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Dang, man. I I know. I miss the freedom of just hitting in. Just slap me and give me that. All this damn patience. In there like swimwear, baby. What up, T-Lo? Nah, but patience is definitely the sauce, man. Especially for the length of time I be trying to sit in a trade. Like, I definitely gotta let that thing set up. Hmm. Man. So yesterday, man. Yesterday I just like you see them videos where people like way too old and way too out of shape or about to act like they about to run. And then as soon as they take their first step, they fall, like they trip and fall off their first step. That was me yesterday, man. What up, Dirt? Dang. I was watching ALZN pre-market like, man, that thing is going. That thing is going. It's just like, to me, trading pre-market is like trading the open, like trading those first couple candles of the open. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's just a whole nother world. KSS, somebody else said that too. Huh. Hmm. That's a nice gap up it had for sure. Riding the EMA now. That's actually a really nice daily setup. I got some high volume junk over here though. What is this? 50 million shares traded over here on March 13th. 1056. Yeah, I don't really like that level, but 107 million dollar, 107 million float. Oh gosh, look at it now. Oh gosh, close. Oh, if that thing closes right there, that's got 5 minutes though. Ain't no chance I'm about to get that. Oh, I want to take that really bad. If this thing could sit here for 5 minutes and just wait, I take the hell out. Damn, it is Billy, huh? Damn it, Billy. Talk to me, Leon. Yeah, patience pays. It does get so much easier to read as the day goes. But all the whippy green candles. I know, man. That mug been hitting though. It just can't break the high though. Man, yeah, and I said I didn't want to mess with Zio until it got over 4. But 268 right there. Man, it came right back to 268 too. Bro, this is about to go. Ugh. Look at it on the one. Damn it, man. I want to take it. It's about to go, bro. Just do it. Stop it, Trey. Shut up, man. Oracle gang. It looks so good, bro. It's legit, bro. It's a high day breakout though, man. We just gotta wait. It'll come back. It'll come back and throw me something. Believe it. This is it though, bro. Look, high came back, tested the EMA, like it literally did it. It just didn't do it in between candle closes. Like this is the exact freaking thing you want to see. But it's good to let the first high day get slapped and then let it come back down and then look for an entry. Yeah, we're just gonna be patient. VWAP resistance. What's V? Sometimes y'all be making me want to put VWAP back up on the chart. I don't need any more variables though. What up, Trex? Pretty big volume on that candle there. Look at AI over here though. Might have to mess with that. Hey, Abu Dhar. What's going on, bro? $119 million float, 2 billion market cap. ALZN. Look like the reversal might be in on that joint. You could have waited 5 seconds, bro. How that Zeo trade look now? It's still, I mean, it wouldn't have hit my stop yet, bro. You just got to sit through that pain, which I wouldn't have enjoyed at all. So, yeah, pull back down. Yeah, I'm not having any regrets at the moment. What does it need to do here? That's a lot of volume on that candle. I like the low it made. Morning knives.
Order filled.
It feels a lot higher than it's saying. It says 91, but it feels way higher. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You hear me breathing? Dang, I'm not even recording. That sucks. Yeah, that Zoe entry was not it. I'm glad I didn't take it. Trey talking about go for it. That always gets me. All right. So now the next hard part, managing the trade. We want a higher high over that line and a higher low also over that line. Uh-oh. Nah, it's good. Now we just need this thing needs to hold up. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks about where you would be snatching it up from. Hopefully we can get a day like these. Look at these last gap up days it had, or these big days. This joker went $6, $10. So far, we got $3. So gotta get at least two more. We can get over 30, bro. Hey, let's go. Yeah, I'm feeling good today, Knives. Although, I mean, Zio was giving me a hard time though a second ago. I got an eyeball over here on ALZN, but I need that higher high first. Which, I mean, you could just take this break, this candle, but the 15 actually looks really good on ALZN and the one. But I still need that higher high first, and I'm totally cool waiting for it. No, I'm just gonna keep trading like I've been trading, Knives. And appreciate you. Just had a couple days where it didn't go like I wanted it to go, but I still really like my process, so just gonna keep it rolling. Just gonna keep it rolling. Oh, we take out 30, man. It'd be so nice. Yeah, for sure. Hmm. It's throwing some pretty decent volume too. Yeah. Oh. Hmm. Yeah. Um. What is this low? 64. Yeah, I'm at 62. Stop as far as away as it can be. Um. That's looking real interesting. That's looking real interesting. But I'm still waiting for my line. And this is looking bad. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's got almost a 3 billion market cap. Come on, man. Hold 29 in the EMA and we good. You getting in there, Trey? Look at this volume real quick. Yeah, actually, the volume looks cool for the reversal with that right there. Get a little buying volume in. I mean, it'd be nice to have a little more. Actually, the high of this candle, I would say, would be a decent amount of confirmation. Yeah, for sure. That's a good trigger, I would say. ALZN is so tempting over here. It's almost just want to take the 15-minute break. But that would be a high day breakout. Doom, doom, doom. Man, we got to get back over to the 30s. It sure does, man. I like this candle. Come on now. It is extended though. I just thought it had momentum to keep going. Oh, poo. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. It's got all the boxes checked. Only possible thing I did was I didn't risk to the actual low, which is 49. but this is the high volume low, which was 64. I mean, it's riding that EMA, man. We just need to get that high. If we get this high over this candle, man, I think we're super good. Yeah, for sure. I'm telling you, man, we just gotta get that pop straight through 30, man. I wish this was a little higher, man. It's really a great spot to add, but I would just be doubling down because there's not really anywhere to raise my risk to. But I mean, shoot. There we go. Look at that. It's really nice. I should have added there anyway, just on GP. I might get another spot though. You in, Wedo? Oh yeah. Nice little volume spike there through your trigger. I just want confirmation this is not a retracement leg, because that's a pretty big down leg. So ALZN. But anyway, let's pay attention. Man. All right. Can we break 30? It clearly you want to break 30. Like clearly. What's this low? 84. Yeah, it is. It is. But if we can get in there in the right spot, like this looks nice right here. I just need that higher high, higher low above this yellow line, man. And I'm in there. Just by 7, man, bro. Man, bro. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. We need 30. This can't be right. It's just been consistently at 91. It's not tight enough. I could have thrown like another 100 shares or something right there. As soon as we break 94, I can move my stop up under this candle. Do not disturb, man. Yeah. What up, Gary? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on ALZN, Leon. I ain't touching it till then. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, give me that new high day. Bruh. Well, I'm definitely going up under here now. Come on, baby. You can do it. Help him out, Bugs. Yeah. Let's go. There's 30, baby. Volume's coming in. This better not be the end. All right. So lower days 26. I mean, I think 32 is definitely on the table. Nah, this is just like the breakout, bro. This can't be it. Can't be it. I mean, it might get to that point, but it's too low, bro. It ain't worth taking yet. That volume is getting high, but yeah, that's what I need right there, Joe. Yeah, do you know Leon did? Leon grabbed some of seven like the first time it hit seven. He probably didn't already made his bag. I know Leon. You missed the first dip. Thought you got them sevens. Yeah. Second one looks scary. You still in it though, right? Mm. Oh, stop break even. Dang, bro, why? Why? Uh, this does look kind of nasty right here, but I mean, the one is literally starting the uptrend. But I feel you. King Hargrave, what's going on, man? HBIO, wow, 51 cents. Itty bitty stocks. Hey, get the bread though, man. Get the bread. Love to see it, bro. Love to see it. I sure would love to see this thing stretch its legs over 30. Golly, come on. Take profit. uh, Bruh. Mm. Man, this 15 is starting to look bad though. But I mean, the one is just walking up the EMA. It's actually walking it up real chill. Like it's settled down a lot. It just gotta keep holding. It's still rolling, King. Yeah, see, that's another thing why I don't like straying outside of the small caps, having to worry about the market. Yeah, bro. Don't FOMO, man. Don't chase it, bro. You got your piece. You got a nice piece, bro. Take that to the bank, man. Back at 7. I don't know, man. This thing is looking pretty weak to me. It's looking hella weak, honestly. Yeah, I be getting clowned about my chair, King. It's definitely on my radar to get another one, but it's cool. It's comfortable. It's nothing special though. It's just, I definitely would like to get something more comfortable, uh, more plush. I should have added right there, but yeah, I gotta move my stop to break even now. If it retraces that big breakout candle and makes a new low after making a high over that 5, I gotta get out of there. Oh, look at Wedo over here. Yo. Nah, I'm tripping. Man, I appreciate you, King. What up, Jack? What's it gonna be? Yo, Wedo looking saucy. Zoe trying to come back. Man, Zio looking good over here too now. Got some nice buying volume coming in. Here it goes. Yep, I was just seeing that, Leon. Let's see if it can do something. Bruh, if this thing don't stop playing. Still no trade? I know you should be in that trade, bro. Ridiculous. All or nothing. It's gravy too. You literally picked the bottom. This looks so nice, bro. How do I not take that? Because there's no higher high yet. It's technically downtrending until it breaks that high. But damn, that's nice. Yeah, we'll see if it sets up. Yeah, I just need another higher high, higher low on Wedo. Same for Zio. We can make something happen. Zio. Yeah, I really didn't want to mess with Zio until over 4. Oh, come on, bro. $6.89 million. Appreciate it, OG. Classic, bro. These pullbacks, though, man, just chill. Well, at least I'm at break even, but come on, bro. 39. Let's give it a little more. There we go. 11.8 for real. That's crazy. $4 million. Oh, okay. Bruh. Actually, I'm gonna go 44. Dang, man, it's over. What was the low of this 15? 45, yeah, 44 is good. Damn.
Order filled.
All that for nothing. Stupid market. Yeah, maybe so. I just didn't want to sit through a 15-minute pullback, and that was the break of this 15-minute low. So no, that's gonna be sad. Oh, come on, bro. Don't do me like that. Stop me to the penny on my stop. I didn't even go to break even. Break even was 39. Yeah. Damn it, man. Oh, damn it. Just can't be consistent, man. Yeah, I moved it like 5 cents above break even. And it stopped me to the penny. Yeah, it's way too extended now. I mean, it broke that 15-minute low, so I'm cool. I did the right thing. We got some other stuff brewing. Yeah, I mean, made 16 bucks. I'm still chilling, man. I'm chilling, looking for the next trade. Thanks, Knives. Zio definitely looks activated. I want to see what it's going to do through this higher day, though. Hopefully it gets slapped and then holds so I can hop on for a nice ride. Did we get a new high out of there? Oh, we got a new high. It didn't hold, though. Volume just looks super weak. I mean, he got more money than me though, Knives. Yeah, Max lost 250. I mean, I think the max loss is one bad trade. Nah. I mean, well, kinda. Over a long period of time. Flip flopping. Why am I looking at Weedo? Because of Ben. Thanks. I mean, because of Trey. Thanks, Ben. I could take that off. Wow. Wow, there's really nothing else to do except ALZN. Yeah. Yeah, once it broke that 15-minute low, bro, it was time to go. I'm glad I didn't keep my original stop. It was time to go. Could have made a little 200 up here, though. That would have been kind of cool. I should have sold something when it tried to go through the top again. Daily looks like garbage. Especially right now. We might be about to trade it here, though.
Order filled.
It's always lacking volume till it ain't. Exactly. Uh, it came in. I seen it. You seen it. Ooh, look at the 15-minute narrow range joint over here. Boy, 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 boy. What was too hard? Did y'all remember? At VWAP right now. 333. Oh, it's on the bottom side, huh? It's testing it. Oh, yeah, these highs at VWAP. Yep, here come them VWAP traders. I used to be one of them. Oh, look, it broke over VWAP. It's holding. It's holding. Ain't nothing wrong with VWAP. I definitely wasn't speaking against VWAP. I'm just no longer counted among the VWAP brethren. But whenever y'all say VWAP, I'm like, ooh, VWAP? It's by VWAP? Right now? It's a pretty big volume candle on the 5 there. But just looking at the 1, not really seeing. This is looking kind of scary, actually. It's not looking climactic yet, though. It's just kind of a chill move right now. The volume, though, I'm not. I'm just. It's the volume. I like to see how the volume's coming in. That's literally my main purpose, man. Main purpose in watching. Chill out. Now we just gotta hold this level, man. We gotta hold 312 with all its might. With all your might. You have to hold. You have to hold. Hold the line for me, Dirk. This is when I do my most level 2 watching right here. When it's pulling back and I'm getting worried, I start. That's when I get the most of my level 2 education in right there. Like, oh man, 1,700. Oh man, okay, 316, 300 shares. All right. Will we survive the pullback? We should. It would be quite extreme for it to come way down here, I would say. I mean, it's a small cap, actually. Let me stop capping. It would be nothing. It would be nothing for it to come down here and hit my stop. It would be nothing. Yeah, a little bit. It's just like that moment where it's either about to get wild or sad. Mm-hmm. I got my squad in here feeling good about it though. Come on, European Power Hour. Europa. Little. Oh yeah. Oh snap. That's a cool little higher low on Zio right there. That's a cool little entry. Dang, that's super cool risk to reward, but it's still technically downtrending, so I can't mess with it. There's $3 all the way back to 3. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Bro, it's looking super thin underneath $3. There's no orders. We're gonna get destroyed if it drops. Oh yeah. That thing's still downtrending, bro. Yo, Zio looking cool, HH. But it's all about Wito right now. Yeah, that mug got this thing got some work to do. A lot of work to do. Bail. Big bids on Wito. Dang, really? Ah, Jack. Bruh, I would have thought the way you be trading, bro, I thought for sure you was banking bands on a regular, bro. You on your way for sure. Man, you want to sell at 332, huh? This is actually the official entry that was to have been waited for. You're in at 304. This will be pretty fun if we can all get to the bag. Zio looking cool too. We might hop in over there. Windows 98 music player. That's funny. Cause when I first looked at this platform, I pretty much felt the same. I hated the way it looked, but I love it now. It's my bread and butter. All right, now I'm kind of wanting to raise my stop up under this 5 minute candle, but because I mean, if it's not holding, what are we doing? It's doing something. Nice little volume pop on that last green candle. I like those two red candles too, that volume profile, but it's still below the EMA for me. Come on, dog. Where them Europeans at, Dirk? Yeah. What's up, Paul? Oh, I was saying them Europeans need to come on, Dirk. What Wedo is? China manipulation play. It's a triangle pop now. Nah, that wasn't that bad of a rejection, bro. This little guy right here wasn't so bad. Yeah, I totally see the triangle trade. It's right here. I'm about to add over it. This would be it's a super tight risk to reward, but it could just get slapped out of my hand so fast that it's scary. It's like I either want to take the 330 or the 320. The 330 is like way up there. 322. Like a 323. Should have scalped. I'm trying to get that big money.
Order filled.
What's up, Nova? Man, I don't want it to fall below this low right here. But, I mean, everything's going well. It's doing well. The 15 looks great. I don't want to sit through a pullback, but it's grinding, you know. And there's nothing wrong. Like this was the scary volume, but this is just good buying volume coming into the stock. Um, no, there's no climactic candles for real. So there's just no reason to sell yet besides there being profit. And that's why I'm not selling yet. Yeah, that is a very good point there. Uh, my guy Trey. It's definitely not a losing trade though. We can say that for sure. You know what though? I can't say that yet, bro. What's this low? That was me. That was me affecting. That was me letting what happened affect my process. Ben wanting to go back to 2R all or nothing. My process is to sell based on the sell signals. To enter on the buy signal and sell on the sell signal. And it hurts when you know, see some and then it goes away. But when I'm right, like, why do we sit down and mark out pre-market highs and all these resistance levels if we get in and just sell as soon as it pops? Like, I hear you, Dirk, but I feel like I've proven at some level that I do see something that sometimes you guys don't see. I hear you guys. Um, I can imagine what it's like to watch someone doing something that, you know, if you were there, you would like kill it. Like watching somebody, I don't know, suck at a video game. He's like, bro, just give me the controller, man. Like I'll freaking, you know, but I gotta figure out how to play this thing my way. And yeah, I've been watching trends trend for a long time, and I've been watching how the volume comes in as it sets the low, and how the volume comes in as it, you know, initiates the change in the trend, and the buyers start coming in, and you start kicking out higher highs and higher lows, and like this thing hasn't even pushed away from the EMA for real yet. um and the 15, I mean, they got this hammer right here inside of there, and then we already broke the high of both of those. So Simon King, 7 red days in a row. I certainly don't think like that. Yeah, I know, Ben. I The cool thing is, when we get a if we can get a new high, then my stop will go up into the money, and you know, most of the stress of the trade will disappear. I really don't want to see it break below this consolidation. I like this hammer candle with this volume though, but we did just break the, okay. Can we hold 237 and just move up? Nope. No, we cannot. Yeah. Look at that 15 minute. I kind of want to get out under that. Damn. Hmm. Can we eat that up? That's a nice volume candle right there. Can we go back up though? If we can go back up. Oh yeah. Is that the bottom? That might be the bottom right there. Come on, baby. Yeah, Trey. That bro, cause you got in on this thing. All right, we supposed to be in this together, bro. I was supposed to be jumping in on your coattail, man. All right, Jack. Thanks for hanging out, man. Hey guys, hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. About to be a legitimate YouTube channel. Help me out, please. Hit the like and subscribe. I really, really, really want this to go. Please. I like what it's doing though. The narrow range candles are fire for sure. We just need some volume, some buyers to come in. Stop making new lows, man. What the heck? Yeah, this ain't what I was looking for. Hmm. I done got stopped out by this candle so many times. Stop placement is key. Bro, all we need is just a boom boom right through four, bro. Ah. I was really getting ugly.
Order filled.
Wow. Honestly, after the 15 made a new low, I should have raised the stop up. That was my signal. I was on hopium at that point though. Look at this BS. Guess that was the sale up there, huh? Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't eating when it came back down to 282. Definitely with the ad, I could have took some and felt okay with that. Dang, I'm out of trend lines. Like, how do I? That's stupid. Yeah, there was definitely a part looking at this how close this high was to that high. That was definitely a sign. I could have stopped out underneath that candle, at least for a portion of the shares. Yeah, I was just looking at that Eon, Eon. Definitely. I mean, that's actually exactly why I got out of AI. I got out of AI because of the break of this 15-minute low. And I was looking at it on Wedo, and I should have taken it, bro. I know for a fact I don't want to be in a 15-minute pullback. So as soon as the 15 makes a lower low, it's out. It's time to get out. No, not really, DJ. Um, yeah, I'm looking at it, Trey. Just an unfortunate. Honestly, without the ad, I'm still in there with my stop down here. Um, and I mean, yeah, stop me out by like 6 cents. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense, Ben. All right, DJ. Appreciate you, bro. Hmm. Yeah, I wish I would have just grabbed my 500 out and then let the rest ride. Grabbed my 2R. It's just like a whole nother ball game managing the winners. But I like the 15-minute candle to make a new low. That's an easy one to stop out on. Yeah. Boy, this one was all the buzz this morning and it just crapped out all day. I've heard people using that, Eon, but I don't I hadn't really thought about it. Stop watching it. Dang, bro, this thing was a straight sucker. Dang, bro. Yeah, I mean, one, two, three higher highs. Yeah, I could have raised my stop up. I just was looking for that squeeze, man. Daggone it. Did it again. Did it again. Right, me too. Shoot, I like this volume as a bottom, this low right here. It looks great. What time is it? 11:11. Got 150 bucks of risk. Hmm. Yeah. It's just it's I feel like I can read the chart well enough, but it's the mix of your bias that always gets in my bias and what I want from the trade. It always it always gets in there and makes it hard to react appropriately to the sell signal. Like, so this was the big volume push. And honestly, when it barely moves up past that, that's pretty much the sign that it's the top. And I mean, this was a pretty big push. If you look at it on the one, it is a parabolic move on the one. Um, yeah, so definitely should have sold something there for sure. Hmm. But two decent executions today. At least I didn't come in here and fall on my face and just trade something stupid. Um, yeah, he's definitely engaged because I'm about to take this 5 minute candle. uh, I'm seeing it over here. HH, it's got a nice little thing going for itself. Just got that higher high in. See what happens. Yeah, damn, there it goes, man. Oh gosh. Should have just took that candle right before it, man. That was pretty clean. You can see the volume increasing on it already. The one told you it was going down. Right back in there. You gonna pick that up, Leon? Yeah, especially after all that. Yep. If it comes. If it comes. Yeah, it doesn't look good at all right now. As far as an entry. I mean, I'm just gonna risk the whole candle. This was it right here. Nice break over this high. Stop under the EMA. Appreciate it, Nova. Yeah, I'm trying to almost emotionally got in Weedo over here, but I'm glad that didn't play out. That looks good on the one, man. Now that would be something you could enter off of. But hard stop on zeros, 275. That's a pretty good place to have the stop. I want to trade. Why is this candle got to be so stupid? I mean, it's only like 35 cents. That seems like a lot though. You got 305. I want to take the hammer, but golly, it's just like no entry. Yeah, I do too, but where you gonna put the stop at? Yeah, Leon be getting it out the mud. If it falls back in, cooked. The 15 looks good too, though, man. Over the highs is definitely low dollar supports. Yeah, golly. Yeah, me too. I mean, it's just scary because I want the confirmation of it going up before I buy it, not not it crashing into support. If this thing can just wait, and then the next candle, your price guarantee. That's just I'm kind of in a 352. That ain't enough, bro. How can I enter? Man, I wish I could have at least got myself break even on that last trade. Just did not need to take the L after being up so much. I don't be thinking about the swing. It's starting to look like it might be a pretty decent entry. All right, OG. Bro, I got $146 left in risk, bro. I can't just buy 3,000 shares and squeeze for the swing for the fences. Uh, I know, man. Uh, just too focused on that pie in the sky. I definitely saw some reasons to tighten up, but I was just too focused on what I wanted, man, instead of what was there. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, Nova on Zio. But keeps making lows, man. Not the hold I was hoping for. Definitely not. Hold is looking a little sloppy. Mm, lots of sell volume coming in now. Seem to have taken over. Dang, man. Ain't nothing popping, bro. Nothing but an L to hold today. No volume over here. This thing doing 10K a candle now. Candles are really narrow. HBIO. Yeah, I heard something else was trading that. I think it was at 50 cent last time I looked at it. Wow. Actually, a super clean chart, too, man. Really clean chart. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we don't ain't got no action. I'm the only one trading in that. Seem like it. Added to ZO 298. Man, you be getting them good prices, bro. It's definitely setting up. I'm totally taking the this 5 minute. I just hope it chills out, bro. Just needs to chill out a bit. Come on, baby. 2.5 minutes. Just chill out. Whoa. 295, 294. Dang, 2 minutes is a long time, bro. Yeah, definitely in these small caps, cause bro, them slippage will slap you. Oh man, I'm disappointed I did not manage this trade better. That's been my thing, man. Just I'm getting better at picking them and entering, but that's why maybe the 2R is the solution, man, because it just forces me to take it out, and then I can look for a re-entry. But or I just got to get better at. I guess the only way to get better at it is to keep doing it. Yeah, that's wild. Strictly on GP. Damn, that 15 was so clear to me, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Man, you whack. This is whack. How you gonna close like that? Has the volume sizzled? I guess not. Still doing pretty good. Yeah, I know.
Order filled.
Come on, you cannot fall back down here. You know I'm not gonna do that, Uncle Paul. I'll go out on my shield if I do that. Yeah, you had it in there. It just touched 22. Oh, for bro, why? It's downtrending, bro. Could be the bottom though. That is a nasty rejection there, Uncle Paul. Pretty nasty. Oh, okay. Come on, dog. Bid looking stacked, eh? Well, it was. Now it's the ask. $294. Oh, it's 250. So it's gonna matter if I. It's gonna. Yeah, it's still 250. Damn, see if I'd have just took that little base hit off. And I'm still not mad at not taking the profit, like not selling. Although I gotta sell those questionable volume candles, like that volume. Like, is that selling volume? Just sell a little bit, you know? Just sell some. Definitely getting greedy. What up, RJ? Oh, I'm not. unrealized champion today, bud. Uh, Literally, we do not have time for a pullback at all. You cannot go below my entry. uh, well, it's going below my entry. Yeah, I got to maintain the same take profit. I just need to be. I got to keep practicing, man, because I know this is my sauce. I just got to get better at letting go of my bias and truly reading the chart. You know, it's a lot of new stuff happening right now. You know, um, a lot of variables that I've constantly. Sorry, I keep zooming the chart in and out like that. I don't know if that bothers you guys. It's kind of a habit. Um, but yeah, it's so much. Oh, it's my heart rate. I thought it'd be something cool to track, like when I watch my trades back to see, when things are getting intense for me, and try to understand those moments and be good in those moments. So now I'm a doctor. Nah, but I've just definitely noticed my heart rate goes crazy. Yeah, that sucks, Trey. That joker downtrending though, man. 15's looking interesting over here. It's got a nice little spike, but it's just way out of play at this point. And Zio, oh man, I'm about to lose on this one again. Yo, golly. There definitely was more confirmation to be waited for, but just needed a trade today. Felt like the last ride. Bro, just go up. Damn. Yeah, look like we max loss in it again. Hmm. That's good, RJ. I need more of them in my life for sure. Yeah, there we go.
Order filled.
Dude, max loss. Kick me out. Yeah, I mean, you know, with this volume pop, really could just sell all the way out up here and then see it pull back, and then where I added, enter again and sell the top of that too. Damn, that was a lick. Mm. Ah. Not really. 2 days like this is really bad. Yeah, that's the reason why I really needed to collect that dub on Wedo. That would have definitely gave a brother some breathing room. That sucks, man. This was a good trade. Yep, definitely after today. All right, Tech, for sure. Damn. Yeah, this candle right here, bro. If I didn't sell the top, stop should have definitely went underneath it. Yeah, I'm thinking just take the 2R all or nothing, man, and take notes. And then if I want to play with selling on profits and selling on volume, maybe I can do that after the second entry. You know, first entry, take it all off at 2R. If I get a second entry, take half off at 2R and let the rest ride on volume. Yeah, 3R is crazy for sure. Yeah. Well, it's late than a fool. We can get on out of here. Yeah. I mean the entry is where did that level even come from? Stupid Weedo. Yeah, this was kind of a dumb buy on Zito anyway. I drew my line, which is where it really needed to hold up above, and it clearly did not. So that was pretty dumb. But I feel like I got a lot to learn from this though. And it's a trip because I this stuff crosses my mind while I'm holding, but it gets overridden by my desire to sell higher. But like when I saw this high get set and I'm looking at the volume, I'm definitely worried. And so when price comes up against that level again, like it's a big moment. Is it gonna break through and push, or is it gonna break through and sell back down? And that's why, like, when you run into this kind of high, you should definitely take profit through the high, and then if it fails, you can just drag up your stop and get out. Um, so yeah, it's just a few more levels to this thing, but I need to take the money off, and then I mean I can experiment with this skill with a smaller portion of my shares. Yeah, I'm that would have helped a lot today, Sync. Like I could have it would have been a whole different it would have been a whole different position. Like if I had taken profit at the top there, it would have been a whole different ball game. Then it would have been like, all right, now I want to protect my profits instead of trying to give it more and more room. I wish I could make my hotkey take half off or three quarters off at I'm pretty sure I can. I gotta figure out how to write that script. I tried to get chat GPT to do it for me and it just threw me like 10 error boxes. Um yeah. Hmm. Man, it was so sweet too, because the ad was hitting, man. All I needed to do was sell. It's such a crazy problem to have, bro. uh, huh. That's a good idea. Normally, thanks, Sync. Man, this is about to go, bro. I'm sad. I'm sad, bro.
Order filled.
Go, 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 go. Bro, if it would have went, If it would have just moved straight up, bro, it would have been cool. No, it filled. It injured me, and I made like $10 on that trade. I don't know how many shares that was though. Probably 311. He who does not honor the penny is not worth the million. Hmm, that's pretty deep, Leon. Yeah, rough day at the office. ASM not real. Tomorrow. Yeah. Hmm. All right, y'all. I'm gonna stop fooling around and get out of here. I guess. I don't know. I still really like mid caps, but I don't like. Nah, I'm strictly small caps. I really hate the market pulling down my trades and worrying about, market sentiment and all of that. I really enjoy that about the low floats, that it's just it's just you know, the catalyst and the retail buddies. Um Preferably narrow range. What is this? I'm about to flip this $13 into 1,000. um Catalyst, gap up over resistance, previous day narrow range day, so that X's out uh second day plays. Um and I think I have my float limit set on 50 million. Yeah. I'm learning. I'm zeroing in on those stats. On, like the idea. I started tagging my trades based on float size. So like I have a low float tag, and then I have another specific tag for under 10 million, 10 million to 20, and then 20 to 50. So I'm trying to find my place, my zone.
Order filled.
God, you stupid stock.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, man. Yeah, I was hoping that break of 310 would just shoot it up away from my entry and it wouldn't even matter. But, oh well. I think tomorrow for sure. It's happening too many times and it's very problematic. So I'm just gonna take 2R. I gotta take 2R first. First entry, I gotta take 2R all or nothing. And then if I get a second entry, um, um, then I can maybe partial that one and try to catch, a big run or something. But yeah, I gotta remember my biggest day that I've had was from two R trades, two 500 plus trades, not $1,000 trade. Although I have had $1,000 trade, but um, I should have waited for it to break 310 and then tried to catch the dip instead of trying to catch the pop. I think I could have managed that one. Anyway, hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And got my back against the wall tomorrow, man. So we got to make some things happen for sure. All right, y'all. Peace.